Welcome to today's journey into the unknown, where we uncover the scariest space events ever recorded. Space is a vast, mysterious, and sometimes terrifying place. While we often see it as a peaceful expanse filled with stars and galaxies, the truth is that space is full of violent, unpredictable, and even deadly events. From terrifying cosmic explosions to unexplained signals and near disasters in human spaceflight, today, we're diving deep into the most frightening moments in the history of space exploration. Let's start with one of the most powerful and terrifying forces in the universe, gamma-ray bursts. These are the most intense explosions ever recorded, releasing more energy in just a few seconds than the sun will emit in its entire lifetime. Scientists believe gamma-ray bursts are caused by massive stars collapsing into black holes or from the collision of neutron stars. What's scary about them? If a gamma-ray burst were to hit Earth directly, it could strip away our planet's atmosphere and cause mass extinction. In fact, some researchers believe a past gamma-ray burst might have been responsible for an ancient extinction event on Earth. The good news? Most of them happen in distant galaxies, but the idea that space can unleash such a violent event in an instant is truly terrifying. Speaking of powerful cosmic phenomena, let's talk about black holes. These mysterious objects are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating a region where not even light can escape. If you were to get too close, you'd be stretched into thin strands in a process scientists call spaghettification. Yes, it sounds funny, but the reality is horrifying. But what's even scarier is that some black holes are rogue black holes, meaning they wander through space, moving unpredictably. One of these rogue black holes could theoretically pass close to our solar system, disrupting planets, altering orbits, or even pulling Earth into its event horizon. Scientists have identified many black holes, but there could be millions more lurking in the dark, undetected. Now let's bring things a little closer to home. Astronaut near-death experiences. Space exploration is one of the most dangerous jobs in existence. One of the scariest incidents happened during Apollo 13 in 1970. A routine mission to the moon turned into a fight for survival when an oxygen tank exploded on board. The crew was stranded in space, their spacecraft losing power and heat rapidly. NASA engineers worked around the clock to come up with emergency solutions, and miraculously, they managed to bring the crew back home safely. The words, "Houston, we have a problem," became one of the most famous phrases in space history, reminding us just how risky space travel really is. Another terrifying incident happened to astronaut Luca Parmitano during a spacewalk in 2013. While performing repairs outside the International Space Station, his helmet started filling with water due to a leak in the cooling system. Imagine being in the vacuum of space, completely alone, and suddenly realizing you're drowning inside your own helmet. He managed to return to the station just in time, but the thought of an astronaut trapped in a spacesuit with no way to breathe is pure nightmare fuel. And then we have the WOW signal, one of the biggest space mysteries ever recorded. In 1977, astronomers using a radio telescope detected a strange, powerful signal coming from deep space. It lasted 72 seconds and was so unusual that the scientist who found it wrote, "Wow," next to the data. To this day, we don't know what caused it. Some believe it was a natural space phenomenon, while others think it could have been an alien signal. The fact that we've never heard anything like it again makes it even more unsettling. What if it really was an extraterrestrial civilization trying to contact us? And what if we missed our one and only chance to respond? Speaking of extraterrestrial mysteries, let's talk about Oumuamua, the first known interstellar object to pass through our solar system. Discovered in 2017, Oumuamua was unlike anything scientists had ever seen. It had a strange, elongated shape, almost like a cigar, and it moved in a way that didn't match any known asteroid or comet. Some scientists even suggested it could be an alien probe or spacecraft. While most experts believe it was just a unique natural object, its bizarre characteristics continue to fuel debate. The idea that objects from other star systems might be flying through our solar system without us noticing is both exciting and terrifying. Now, let's discuss solar storms, powerful eruptions from the sun that send waves of charged particles toward Earth. The biggest solar storm ever recorded was the Carrington event of 1859. It caused telegraph systems to fail and created auroras so bright that people thought it was daytime in the middle of the night. If a storm of that magnitude were to hit today, it could wipe out satellites, disrupt power grids, and throw our modern civilization into chaos. Scientists warn that it's not a question of if, but when another major solar storm will happen. The scary part: we might not have enough time to prepare before it strikes. And finally, one of the most unsettling thoughts: the heat death of the universe. While this won't happen anytime soon, it's one of the most chilling concepts in astrophysics. The idea is that over billions and trillions of years, the universe will continue to expand until all stars burn out, all black holes evaporate, and there's nothing left but cold, empty space. A universe where no more life, no more light, and no more motion exist. It's the ultimate end of everything. While we'll never experience it in our lifetimes, the thought of a dark, lifeless universe is a haunting reminder of just how small and temporary everything truly is. So, after hearing all these terrifying space events, one thing is clear: space is beautiful, but it is also unpredictable, dangerous, and full of mysteries we have yet to understand. From deadly gamma-ray bursts to astronaut near misses, rogue black holes, and strange signals from deep space, the universe is a place of both wonder and fear. But here's the most exciting part. We are only at the beginning of our journey in space exploration. With new telescopes, advanced space missions, and groundbreaking discoveries, we are constantly learning more about the vast unknown. And while space can be terrifying, it's also a place of infinite possibilities. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep space mysteries and mind-blowing cosmic discoveries. Let me know in the comments, which of these space events do you think is the scariest? Or is there another space mystery you want us to explore? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up at the stars. Who knows what we might discover next?